Friends, Andrew here. Welcome back to AppIQ, and if you're new, special welcome to you. In this video, I'm going to show you how to change a font size and style on your Android or Samsung phone. Go to Settings, then click on Accessibility, then click on the Vision Enhancement. Scroll all the way down to where you'll find the font size and style. If you tap on that, you will see the current font that you have. You can click on the font style and you can change it to whatever you want. So you can change it to something else. Keep in mind that if you don't find a font that you like here, you can always click the download font option here, and this will take you into the Samsung store that you can go ahead and download more fonts. So if you tap on that, you will see that it opens up in the Samsung store and you can easily go ahead and download additional fonts as you can see here. Now let me head back to where I have those fonts. So I'm going to go ahead and choose a different font here. And as you can see, the font is now changed there. Very easy stuff. And you can play around with the size if you want here by making it larger or smaller. It's really up to you. So guys, that's how easy it is, guys, to go ahead and change those fonts. You can also make the font bold if you so desire, as you can see. But in a nutshell, that's it. Very easy stuff there, guys. Now, hope you found this useful, guys, and if you do, don't forget to give this video a like. Let me know in the comments below and go ahead and hit that subscribe button. Thank you guys for watching and see you next time.